tell you I care, just cause people.
Yo, that's crazy. The rain is coming, y'all. We're chasing the rain. We are chasing the rain today. That's what we're doing. I got the weather radar, and we are at it, y'all. What the heck's going on here? Sheesh. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Y'all see the clouds? Excuse me, Chevy. Whoa, we got an old fire truck here. Sheesh. Old school, big red. According to the Weather Channel, the rain is literally down this road, so that's where we're going right now. What the heck is going on? Oh, something must have happened. Oh, accident. Aye. My gosh. The hood fell open. Oh, he ran into somebody. Hope everybody's good. That's crazy. Alright, y'all. Let's go chase this rain. Alright, y'all. So you see how it's dark right over there? We're trying to catch it. Because we gotta get it, because you know when in Florida when it rains, it dries quickly. So you gotta be on top of it. You can't be slacking. If you slack, guess what? I think it's the only rain we're gonna get today, so we gotta make it count. Let's go, y'all, let's do it. And State Patrol is here. We're just gonna take pictures, y'all. Let me show you guys these headlights. Sheesh. Look at this. Thumbnail picture. Right here. Alright, y'all. So, yeah, the park ranger was there. I broke a little loose right there. You seen that? Well, guys, today was a failure. Hopefully we're successful next time in the next video. But yeah, we missed the opportunity. It's okay. It's okay. It was literally like a last minute thing. So got to the gym. I'm like, yo, I'm gonna make a video. Boom. But wait, hold on, y'all. Wait. Is this place closed or is it open? Yeah, y'all, that's it for the video. All right, next video is going to be the S197 steering rack install and the striker lights install as well. So yeah, also I gotta fix this handbrake. That's gonna be next. So yeah, this Kev Drives out here.
Baby, this year's my year. I'm not here to play it fair.